In this video, we will discuss the top 7 best hard-anodized cookware. So let's get started.
Hi! If you are new here, welcome. You are watching Compact Reviews. We aim to update on the latest and best everything that has to do with cooking and the kitchen. We test them out in real life so you know what they're like even before buying them. For someone who loves cooking, nothing could be better than Compact Reviews.
Number 7. Calphalon Contemporary. The Calphalon Contemporary is a perfect combination of durability, performance, usability, and value. With quality anodized aluminum construction and 3 layers of PFOA-free nonstick coat, it successfully delivers evenly golden brown sears, steady simmers, or even sauces and stews, as well as releases eggs and crepes even without oil. The stainless steel handles are nice to grip and nice for oven cooking. Plus, not just excellent cooking, it accents gorgeous contemporary design for every kitchen with full lifetime warranty. Number 6. All-Clad Essentials Nonstick Cookware. Thoughtfully designed for home chefs, this All-Clad will make things easier from cooking, cleaning, serving to storing. With All-Clad anodized construction, robust PFOA-free nonstick, and signature stainless steel handles, the cooking quality is admirable: good sears, steady simmers, and impressive egg recipes. Also, the Essentials has a good assortment for home tasks, as having various sizes of pots and pans, including a 13 roasting square pan and a sizable 7 stock pot with a multi-purpose insert. Number 5. Amazon brand Stone and Beam Kitchen. What to expect for a cook set at around $100? This budget set will blow your mind with hard anodized construction, effective non-stick, and riveted stainless steel handles. The durability is acceptable, quite thin and lightweight, but not flimsy. The non-stick surfaces work fantastically to release foods, while the heat performance is reasonably good. The metal handles really stay cool and can resist high heat cooking. What's more, the Stone and Beam looks fabulous in the brushed nickel finish and professional look, a great value set without breaking the bank. Number 4. All-Clad E785 SC64. If you ask for top performance, All-Clad HA1 outstrips in all aspects: unsurpassed cooking performance, durability, usability, and design. With thick US quality hard anodized construction, it offers very durable non-stick surface that can withstand high heat cooking techniques up to 500 degrees Fahrenheit. It heats fast and evenly, leaving very few hot spots, brings golden brown searing, velvet sauces, and omelets effectively. Plus, the stainless steel bonded base ensures no warp over time and excels on all stovetop, includes induction stovetops. Number 3. Anolon Advanced Hard Anodized. The Anolon offers unbeatable cooking ability in reachable price. With sturdy construction and tough surface, it feels solid but not too heavy. It has rapid and very evenly heat distribution that can bring beautiful sears. While super smooth surface is perfect for egg-based recipes. Also, the soft grip silicone handles with a good weight in hands make comfier to maneuver and stay cool when cooking. Though less durability than the premium set, this Velvet Beauty cookware stands out for a solid performer among mid-priced range. Number 2. Calphalon Classic Hard-Anodized. This is a good upgraded set from your old Teflon tools. Apart from quality anodized aluminum construction and slick surfaces, the Classic offers user-friendly designs to make cooking at ease, comfortable and stay cool. Stainless steel handles, filled line marks inside the pots, the glass lids that have straining holes for simply draining liquids from pastas, and spouts for no messy pouring. Though not equal to professional sets, it nicely delivers pleasing results and has nice features for home cooks and beginners, as well as looks classy. Number 1. Circulon Symmetry Hard-Anodized. The Circulon works as promised, heats evenly, releases foods easily, feels solid, allows dishwasher safe, and works well with induction stoves. The robust non-stick coats let easy-to-cook soft foods and eggs, as well as searing tasks. At mid-price, it offers contented sturdiness, thick bottom, and good weight, without cheap feel. The soft-touched handles are comfortable to hold snugly while feels cool when cooking. The elegant, rich-colored, tulip-shaped design makes a bunch feel of pleasing investment.